Abdul Aziz Cham, an international student from Republic of West Africa Republic of the Gambia. My designation is Senior Assistant Registrar at the University of the Gambia. So basically, I'm international student in University of Education Lahore, pursuing a PhD in Management Sciences. My purpose or my being in Pakistan University of Education, Lahore, is to pursue a higher education in PhD in area of management sciences with specialization on HR. And I believe that since my coming here, I was being supported by the university with my accommodation private residence, which is very comfortable for me. When it comes to the human resources capability of the university, I found that we have very experienced teachers or experienced lecturers, and besides experience, they are also knowledgeable. The knowledge that is being imparted in us is up to international standard. They have the skill, they have the know-how, and they know how to impart it. With regards to the cultural aspect of my country, uh, we have a very rich culture, and which is comprises of Islam and that of our traditional, beliefs. So that's made it a very rich culture and interesting one. As regards to Pakistan, also, we have some commonalities in terms of Islam and in terms of the people here. They are very supportive, very willing people to help and support their justice. And what I've observed from that is following. They are trying to follow the teachings of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. After my studies, I plan to go back to my country to try to plow back to the skills and knowledge learned from my studies, so as to try to contribute my quota to the development process in my country. And besides, I also encourage other international students, because what I've seen here and what I've learned here, or the staffing with the capabilities, experience in research and innovation, I guess, it's a very good, package that any international student would like to, get it. So I try to encourage my colleagues around the globe, if they can, find their way to University of Education to try to, get, skills, not only theoretical skills, but experiential skills from this sea of teachers in this university.